Hello friends, welcome to Shetty's Kitchen. Today's recipe is Matar Methi Pulao. So let's start.
First, keep a pressure cooker on the stove. Add around 5 to 6 tablespoons of ghee. You can also use oil instead of ghee, but ghee adds more flavor to the pulao. And now we'll add 2 cinnamon sticks of ½ inch each, 7 to 8 cloves, bay leaves or pulao leaves 2 to 3, cardamom around 3. I have slightly peeled it. And now to this I'll add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and now I am adding the onion. I have taken 1 medium sized onion and thin sliced. I'll add it now. I will wait until the onions are fried well and become translucent. Onions are fried well. Now I can add the next ingredient. To this I am adding green peas. I have taken 1 cup. Fry it for 2 minutes. And now I will add cashew nuts. This was soaked in water for 15 minutes. Adding cashew nuts is optional. I have taken around 25 to 30 cashew nuts. You can see the exact measurement at the end of this video. I have given an ingredient list along with measurement. And now I'll add green chillies. I have taken 2 green chillies. If you want, you can add more. Thin sliced green chillies. And next I'll add fenugreek leaves, that is methi leaves. I have taken 1 cup of methi leaves. And mix it once. And now I can add turmeric powder. I'm adding ½ teaspoon of turmeric powder. And next I'll add rice. And here I have a basmati rice. I have taken 2 cups of rice and this was soaked in water for ½ an hour. All the measurements are in the same cup, so I'll add it now. So I need to mix it now. And now I'll add salt to taste. And finally, I'll add chopped coriander leaves. Taken around ½ cup of chopped coriander leaves. And finally, I'll add water and pressure cook it until 2 whistles. And now I'll add water. For 2 cups of rice, I'll add 4 cups of water. That is in 1:2 ratio. So friends, this is done. I have added all the ingredients. Now I'll close the pressure cooker and I'll cook it until 2 whistles. After 2 whistles, once the pressure goes down, we'll open it and see how it has come out. So after 2 whistles, I'll switch off the flame and we'll wait until the pressure goes down and then we'll open it and I guess I can open it. So our green peas methi pulao is ready. We'll just mix it once. I'll quickly transfer this into a serving bowl. So friends, our methi peas pulao is ready. You can serve it with raita or any vegetable kurma. It will be a good match. Please do try this recipe and let me know your feedbacks and suggestions to improve the videos. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Also, for the quick version of all the recipes, you can log into my Facebook page. I have given the link in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Thank you.